This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 75, the first in pack 20 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. I'm going to start by looking through the magazine. I know I don't normally do that on this part of the build, but this is the issue that's got the least to do. So I thought I'd start off with this and then continue on with the build. So, as ever, we're going to flick through the magazine. We've got the assembly guides first. What we're doing first time is the fan housing that we started last time. We're just putting the surround onto that, hence why this is the quickest run. We've still got the separate fan. Next time, I think it's the back of the fan that we're putting together. And the top of like the radiator, yeah, that goes on there. Then the back bit goes on there. That's that. And then after that, we've got one more pack to do with part of the engine bits. I don't know exactly what bits they are, but that's all we're doing with that. And then finally, in this pack, we've got the belt assembly, which is all not real belts on this. And we're assembling that onto there and putting the fan onto that and ending up with two bigger bits. So no actual car work to do on this one, just the engine sort of front assembly. So we'll flick through the magazine and see what we've got in here. In the beautiful Eleanor, we've got a different kind of businessman. Yeah, about the creator, about what he does now. I want to read all about that. From the more recent film. I say more recent, it's still 20 years old, isn't it? So yeah, that's about the making of that. Only saturated colours, yeah, it pretty much was. Behind the scenes of the original movie. Theme shooting and stuff like that. Chasing. Good. And then the cars with women's names. We've got Lindsay, 1999 Bentley Onage. Don't know, but there we go. It's been in several movies. Thomas Crown Affair, Ocean's 11, Batman Begins. It's a traditional rich person's big car, Bentley. Bentley and Rolls Royce are the two big ones. Diane, a Ferrari. That's quite nice. Not sure about the yellow, but yeah, Ferraris are quite pleasant. Again, upmarket sports cars. These are more elite cars that they were stealing on this run, which is all good. Good stuff. The Ford Mustang convertible. Yeah, it's a Ford. It's a Mustang. It's convertible. What more can you say about it? That's all right. Yeah, that's a more normal car. So yes, next time, what can I tell you about that? It's obviously engine work, isn't it? Yeah, continuing the engine, we've got the side pistony things, the vents and stuff, tubes. So yeah, well, we got to do the engine. I'm not overly fond of the engine. I like the bodywork stuff, but that obviously comes last. So for now, let's clear this out of the way and let's get part 75 built. Yep, nice and easy. 75. We've got the part from last time. We've got a fan that we're not adding to this time. We've got this bit which goes on there. It only goes one way around because there is still a pin on there and a hole on there. So that needs to go together like that. And there are 4 of these screws to hold it in place. Let's get them out. I expect there will be 5 screws in this packet. With any luck, I can just get 4 out. Yeah, there we go. We'll keep 1 safe. Put it in our spares box. We'll get that in the right place on there, and these screws will go in there. Where are they going? They're going in the other holes. Oh, I was right. It is in the outside holes. For some reason that just wasn't lined up quite right though. Definitely there. There we go. Lined up in there. The other one done. Right over the other side. Got to be lined up so we can then get the other two in place. And then come back and tighten them all up when they're all on. So that was that. As I showed you just a moment ago, the next one is continuing on to this part of the build. Then we put it aside for the next one, and then we bring it back and put it all together a little bit for the final in this month's delivery. So that's that for now. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you for soon. See you soon for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.